Welcome to this step-by-step demo of UGC Studio AI, your complete AI-powered studio to create UGC-style videos, voiceovers, images, music, and more in minutes. Let's begin the walkthrough. We'll start from the login screen. Enter your credentials and click Login. This is your UGC Studio AI dashboard. On the left, you'll find all your main modules neatly organized: prompt to video, AI writer, AI real-time image, AI voiceovers, AI music, etc. At the center, you'll see a quick demo video that explains how UGC Studio AI works. On the right side, you can view your active subscription, used credits, and remaining credits at a glance, so you always know your usage. Now, let's start creating a video. From the left menu, click Prompt to Video. Then click the Create New Video button. Here's where the magic happens. You simply enter the prompt describing the video you want to generate. Remember, the more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Let me paste my example prompt here. This is my prompt, and you can see I kept detailed. As you can see, I've added the shooting style as phone shot environment details like natural lighting, simple home background, and actions like occasional hand gestures. Next, I'll select the aspect ratio, in this case, landscape, and select the video duration to 15 seconds. Below, you'll find helpful tips to create stronger, more accurate videos, like be specific and descriptive in your prompt. Include details about the actions, setting, and atmosphere. Mention camera angles or movements if needed. Also, keep in mind, video generation may take 2 to 5 minutes depending on complexity. Once everything looks good, click Generate Video. After clicking Generate, you're taken to your video listing page. Here you can see the video we just created, currently showing pending status. It usually takes around 4 to 5 minutes depending on the prompt. Let's click View. The video is still processing, so we'll wait here for a bit. And there it is. Within a few minutes, the video is fully rendered. Let's preview it.
Hey, I just tried UGC Studio AI and wow, it makes creating UGC videos insanely fast. No filming, no editing, it does everything for you. If you need quick, high-quality UGC content, this is the easiest tool ever. Go try UGC Studio AI.
You can see how accurately it followed the prompt. The natural lighting, the simple home background, the phone shot feel, and the subtle hand gestures. Isn't that amazing? If you like the result, simply click Download to save the video to your device. Now let me take you through one of the most exciting features inside UGC Studio AI, the AI real-time image. This allows you to generate AI images instantly in real time based on your prompt. The biggest advantage is that you can see the image evolve live and modify your prompt on the spot to fine-tune the result. Once we enter this module, you can see a wide selection of 30+ image styles, including anime, clay art, line art, realistic portrait, and many more. Let's create something. I'll start by entering a simple prompt. Generate a powerful superhero in futuristic armor. And look at that. Even as I'm typing, the AI has already started analyzing the prompt and generating the image output in real time. Now, based on what I see, I can enhance the prompt further. Let's add dramatic lighting, cinematic atmosphere. And instantly, boom, you can see the image transform into a more dramatic, visually striking version. If we scroll down, you'll notice that every version generated from your prompt is automatically saved in your library. You can preview any version, compare them, download, or use them directly in your projects. This makes experimenting effortless. You can refine ideas, iterate faster, and get the perfect visual without waiting for long render times. Now let's head over to the AI Voiceovers module. AI voiceovers allow you to instantly generate natural-sounding spoken audio from any text you provide, without needing any microphone, studio, or recording setup. Inside this module, you can start by entering a title for your voiceover project. Next, choose your language. UGC Studio AI supports 55 plus major global languages, so you can create voices for worldwide audiences. For this example, let's select US English. Based on the language you choose, the system displays a list of available AI voices, including both male and female options. For now, let's go ahead with the female voice named Nova. Below that, you can also choose the pace of the narration, whether you want the reading speed to be normal or neural, depending on the tone you need. Now, let's add some content. Click on the Add Speech button. A text box appears where you can type or paste the script you want converted into speech. Once you add your text, you can click the View button to generate a quick preview and listen to how it sounds, including the pacing, clarity, and tone.
I just tried UGC Studio AI and wow, it makes creating UGC videos insanely fast. No filming, no editing, it does everything for you. If you need quick, high-quality UGC content, this is the easiest tool ever. Go try UGC Studio AI.
And here comes the interesting part. In a single voiceover project, you can add multiple speeches with multiple voice styles. This is incredibly useful for creating conversational audios, dialogues, scripted scenes, or podcast-style voiceovers. Let me demonstrate. Suppose I want to add another speech, but this time in a male voice. From the list, I'll choose the male voice Fable. Now I'll click Add New, and you'll see it automatically adds a brand new speech box. I can now enter text here, and this second box will be generated using the male voice. Just like before, I can preview it to check how it sounds.
That sounds pretty exciting. But I have a few queries about the Voiceover module.
You can continue adding multiple speeches with different voices, languages, or tones, all inside one voiceover project. Once you are satisfied, click the Generate button. The system will take a few seconds. And now you can see it has combined all the speeches in all selected voices into one seamless voiceover file. You can preview the final output or download it directly to your device. Now let's move on to the AI Music module. AI Music allows you to instantly generate complete songs, clean vocal tracks, or pure instrumentals using AI. Let me show you how it works. The first step is to either upload an MP3 file or paste an MP3 URL. This file acts as your reference audio, and depending on what you want to generate, the input needs to follow certain rules. If you want to generate a song, your uploaded file link must contain both vocals and instrumental. If you want to generate a voice, your file must contain only vocals, with no background music. If you want to generate an instrumental, your file must contain only instrumental, with no vocals. These conditions help the AI understand the structure of your reference track, so it can generate accurate, high-quality results. Let's upload our MP3 file now. Next, choose what you want UGC Studio AI to create for you, song, voice, or instrumental. For this demo, let's select Song. Below that, you'll find a section to drop your lyrics. This is where you paste the words you want the AI to use in the new song. If you're unsure how to format your lyrics, just click the Example Lyrics button. This shows you a proper sample, including verse and chorus structure, so you can follow the recommended format. Let me paste my lyrics here. Once everything looks good, the MP3 file is added, the purpose is selected, and the lyrics are ready, click the Generate button. This only takes a few moments. And it's ready. You can now preview the generated music or download it directly to your device. Each output is also saved in your library, so you can reuse or mix it into your projects anytime. Now let's explore the AI Writer, your all-in-one text generator and AI copywriting assistant inside UGC Studio AI. As soon as we enter the AI Writer module, you'll see an organized interface with dozens of ready-made writing tools, all designed to help you produce high-quality content instantly. At the top, you'll notice categories such as Favorite, YouTube, Writer, Website, and so on. These categories make it extremely easy to find the exact type of writing tool you need. However, in the UGC Studio AI commercial plan, only the social media category is available. All other categories unlock when you upgrade to the bundle plan. So let me select the social media category. Once selected, you can see a set of useful tools listed here. Let's say I need to generate a video idea. Inside this tool, you'll find the Generate Bulk Posts option. This allows you to decide how many results you want the AI to generate in one go. Next, you'll need to enter the topic of your video. In my case, let's say the topic is 5-second tip that will save you hours. Below that, you can choose the language, and you'll also see a maximum word limit field. If you want shorter content, you can reduce the limit. For now, I've set the limit to 500 words. You can also adjust the creativity level and even choose the tone. Whether you want the content to sound casual, professional, funny, or anything else. Once all inputs are ready, simply hit the Generate button. The AI will start thinking based on your instructions. And within moments, it generates fresh, ready-to-use content tailored exactly to your topic and settings. Before we wrap up, let's quickly take a look at the Documents section. The Documents section is basically the central library for everything you create inside UGC Studio AI. All your generated voiceovers, music tracks, images, scripts, and written content are saved here automatically. This makes it super easy to find, manage, preview, or download anything you've created, all in one place. And that wraps up our demo of UGC Studio AI. Thank you for watching.